Verify that the undercut is properly formed in the model data. Change the viewpoint of the 3D model and click to immediately reflect the modifications made by the arrow. Press the button to draw the guideline that is the reference for the guide. Click the mouse to continue drawing the points. You can adjust the screen using the visualization preset function. Based on the surgical site to ensure proper retention, it is recommended to draw a guideline to include at least 4 teeth. Guidelines cannot specify or pass where there is not enough scanning. Last, click on the first point to confirm the guideline. Guidelines can be modified by moving or deleting points. Set the guide thickness and the offset value. Individual offset values are recommended to suit the predator's disposition and guide production equipment. After deciding whether to save the current setting as the default value, press the Create button. Once the guide has been created, check the shape and size of the guide. When the guide is generated, the support window, character imprint menu is activated. Click on the 2 points you want to add support to complete the addition. Use the editing tool to modify the size, angle, etc. of the support. Support is added to prevent deformation or fracture of the guide. Avoid adding guides or sleeve fit. If the sleeve window locking option is enabled, the support does not invade the sleeve area. If you use this to set up a wider support and add it, 2 support effects can be expected with 1 support. If necessary, multiple supports can be created. Edit the size, angle, and position of the support in the same way. When adding support around the guide line, care should be taken as this may affect the guide fit. You can set up a window to check the fit between the teeth and the guide. Edit the size, angle, position, etc. in the same way as the support. Adjusting the transparency options in the guide and window, you can set up windows more easily and accurately. When making the guide, tightening problems may occur due to deformation or undercutting. It is recommended that you use Windows settings to verify the fit. When the support and Windows settings are complete, press Generate Guide to complete the operation. If there has been any correction, it will be reflected only when you press Create Guide. Character engraving allows you to record characters such as patient name and surgical date in the guide. Press to set the desired text, size, and so on. Character engraving on a flat surface, such as a support, improves discrimination. Click the character imprint where you want it, and then create a guide to complete the task.